you're well now again. And we wish sa 84, no? So we'll be seeing each other again in 95. 84. But Dad, again, we love you so much. And sana magtuloy-tuloy ang paggaling mo. We are always here behind you, always praying for you. Again, we love you so much.
Thank you so much, Don.
Ayun, good health lagi. At magte-taping pa tayo dun sa bagong show niya doon, ni Richard. No? Diba?
Back to work ka ba?
Magte-taping pa tayo ron. Kaya we love you, Dad. We love you.
Thank you. Pero doon sa gagawin natin, hindi na ako naka-wheelchair.
Hindi na. May mga walking na ron, may mga ano natin. Ha?
Yung pagbagsak ko kanina, acting lang yun.
Okay, ate.
Dad, happy birthday. We're always together in Singapore, and I know that everything that we went through, I know that you're always there for us, and I know that you're very positive about everything. So I know that you're going to be with us for 20 more years, Dad. More Elvis songs and more later games to come. We love you.
Thank you so much. My only daughter, my one and only daughter, Rufa.
Hi Dad, happy birthday to you. We're all very happy na naging successful ang journey sa Singapore, and you're back, you look good, you look healthy, and sana tuloy-tuloy ang pag-heal ng katawan mo, and we're all praying for you. You also give us strength. Pinapakita mo sa amin na lumalaban ka, kaya mo lahat ng nangyayari, and you're always smiling, you're always positive, and no matter what happens, makuha namin yung energy din from you. And it also keeps us going with you. So thank you, Dad, for everything. We love you. We're here for you no matter what. And alam ko kakayanan natin lahat ng pagsubok.
Thank you.
Hey, Dad.
Thank you so much.
Elvis.
Happy birthday, Dad. Yun nga, sa atin nila lahat tayo masaya dahil successful yung recovery mo, and mas marami pa tayong later games na makapanood sa umaga every day. So masaya kami at you're still alive and kicking.
Thank you, Elvis.
Happy birthday, Dad. I'm happy that you're strong again. Every day, swimming, gym, therapy, eating fruits, and I'm always praying for you, Dad. Every day, sana tuloy-tuloy mo yung ano mo, healing. In God's hands, He will keep you alive. Love you, Dad.
Thank you, Rocky. Thank you so much.